Here is a simple guide on how to partition a hard drive using the command prompt. Open command prompt as administrator. Press Windows key plus X. Select command prompt, admin, from the menu that appears. Open disk management simultaneously by pressing Windows key plus X again, and selecting disk management where you can see the changes taking effect. Launch Diskpart. In the command prompt window, type Diskpart and press Enter. List disks. Type list disk and press Enter to view a list of all disks connected to your computer. Select disk. Identify the disk you want to partition from the list of disks. Type select disk X, replace X with the disk number, and press Enter. Be cautious as selecting the wrong disk can lead to data loss. Type clean afterwards. Create partition. Type create partition primary size equals X and press Enter. Replace X with the size you want for the partition in megabytes. If you want to use the entire disk, you can omit the size parameter. Format partition. Type format fs equals ntfs quick and press Enter to format the newly created partition with the ntfs file system. You can replace ntfs with exFAT or FAT32 if you prefer those file systems. Assign drive letter. Type assign letter equals X and press Enter to assign a drive letter to the partition. Replace X with the desired drive letter. Create a partition for the remaining unallocated disk space. Type create partition primary one more time to use the remaining disk. The remaining unallocated disk space is now partitioned. Type format fs equals ntfs quick and press Enter once again to format the remaining disk space. Assign a drive letter for the disk space. Type assign letter equals X and press Enter to assign a drive letter to the remaining disk space. Replace X with the desired drive letter. Exit Diskpart. Type exit and press Enter to exit the Diskpart utility. You can verify the changes in File Explorer by navigating to This PC or My Computer and checking the list of drives and partitions.